Hey guys, Eli here. Welcome to day 4 of 30 in this series of how to build a 10K per month online business. Now today we're going to be talking about the 4 main components of really any business, and it's so important to understand what these components are so you can make sure you have them in your business. Now today we're really going to be wrapping up and bringing together all of what we have been learning over the last 3 days. The last 3 days have really been the foundational pieces, in my opinion, the most important pieces of business. And today we're going to be bringing those pieces together into one nice package so you can really understand how they all work together. Just a quick recap of what we've been learning about over the last few days. We've been developing and re-establishing our relationship with our goal, which is $10,000 per month. We've been talking about the 2 ways to really reach this goal. One is through basic affiliate marketing, where we're promoting other people's offers and services. And the other way, which is what I recommend, which is actually promoting our own offer, our own service, and also promoting some affiliate products that people need when they purchase our offer or our service. We've also discussed hunting our avatar, really working out who it is we're going to be serving, who it is we're going to be selling to, and having that sniper approach, not that shotgun approach where we're trying to sell everyone, but that sniper approach where we're laser focused in on and know exactly who it is we are going to be going out there and trying to find, and then hopefully selling and serving that person. So before we get started in this video, if you've been finding these trainings helpful, but you really want to accelerate this process and want some help actually achieving this and help executing on this, go to elirichardsonmentoring.com and schedule a call with either myself or my team. We'd be happy to have a chat with you about your business, about what it is you're trying to build, what service it is that you're looking to provide, and we can help you actually execute and deliver on that, okay? We build you out a very customized one-on-one game plan and help you one-on-one execute on that every single day. So today we're going to be talking about the 4 components of business, okay? So let's get started with that right now. So the 4 components of business, the first one is having an offer, okay? Having an offer. What is it that you're going to sell? What is it you are going to actually go out there and offer people? Now, when it comes to an offer, I'm not just talking about any plain Jane vanilla offer. You need to have an absolutely irresistible, red hot, flaming offer that really resonates with your market, that makes the hairs on the back of your market's neck stand up and go, wow, wow, that is a good offer, that is a steal, okay? Make it an absolute no-brainer decision for your market to purchase your offer. We're not just talking about a vanilla offer, we're talking about creating, crafting an absolute risk-free, 100% money back, absolute irresistible, no-brainer offer for your market. This doesn't always necessarily mean being the cheapest. This can just mean having a massive amount of value and you are charging a moderate price tag for it. Say you're offering $10,000 worth of value, but you're only charging $1,000 for that service. That's a great deal, right? That's a great deal to the right person. So it's not always about being the lowest price in town, although when you're starting out, it's a bit harder to charge higher premium prices because you don't have any experience. But as you get experience, you can definitely increase your price point, but you can still offer way more and charge a good amount for it. So the first one is irresistible offer. The second component is having a sales process. You need a sales process to guide people to your offer. Now, that could be as simple as reaching out to people on Facebook in Messenger and saying, hey, hope you're doing well, come check out my offer. Technically, that is a sales process, okay? But I don't know about you, I personally wouldn't want to be sending, DMs for the rest of my life. There's only so much time in the day. Personally, I've got better things to do. So what I do instead is I create an automated sales process that guides people through, that builds a relationship with people and presents them to my offer automatically, okay? Automatically. And I do this using a sales funnel. But a sales funnel allows you to guide prospects through and build a relationship with those people, and then at the end of that sales process, present the offer to them. So I use an automated sales process where I don't have to spend all of my time sending out DMs. And it's also infinitely scalable because you can send, 100,000 people into this sales process and it doesn't matter, but it's quite hard to send 100,000 DMs unless you're really good at, unless you're really good at Facebook Messenger. Okay, so we've talked about creating an irresistible offer. We've talked about having a strong sales process, ideally an automated sales process using something like a sales funnel. The next is traffic. Okay, the next component of an online business or a business really in general is traffic. Okay, whether that's paid traffic such as Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, whatever you're running, paid traffic or free traffic, which is done through podcasts, YouTube, social media, publishing. You've got your paid traffic, you've got your free traffic. It doesn't really matter. You need traffic. You need to have people coming into your sales process because you could have the best offer in the world and you could have the best sales process in the world. But if you don't have anyone coming into that sales process and being presented with that offer, you're never gonna make sales, and it's just that simple, okay? So traffic is extremely important. The fourth component of a business is branding. Now, branding is extremely important. You think about Apple, for example. I'm a massive Apple geek, nerd, whatever you want to call me. I'm a massive Apple fan, and there's so many people who have brand loyalty. You have brand loyalty to certain brands. Apple's just an example. People like Apple because they trust them, right? They know their products are quite high quality. Obviously there's going to be some Android people out there that debate that, but you might be loyal to Android or you might be loyal to Apple. It doesn't really matter. There is brand loyalty. And you can actually have branding as an individual human being, okay? And that is just getting people to know, like, and trust you as a person. So for example, there might be somebody watching this video right now that feels like they have a relationship with me. They might feel like they know me. They might feel like they trust me at some level. And there's a good chance we've probably never met in real life. That is branding. It's the perception, that image, that feeling that you have when somebody thinks about you. And it's so powerful. So most people, don't really talk about branding, but it's honestly extremely important. Branding also is so important because it can significantly, positively impact the results of your paid traffic. So for example, say you're running paid traffic, but people didn't know, like, or trust you. Well, you might have a good campaign going and you might be making $1 per person who comes into your sales process. But if you have people that know, like, and trust you already before they click on your ad, then your offer is going to convert so much better. And that $1 might become $2, $3, or higher. So paid traffic can really be influenced in a good way when you have branding. Now I'm going to show you this at a bit more of a high level view, how all these components kind of fit together in an example. For this example, over the last few days, I've been talking about how when I first started, I was selling funnels as a service to chiropractors. Chiropractors were my avatar. I was selling funnels to them. So I'm going to stick with that theme and I'm going to show you how this all translates to a real life example. This is the exact example that I did when I was starting out with my funnel service. But before we get into that, if you are enjoying this, if you're getting started with this, if you're excited to get stuck into this and you feel like you want some one-on-one help, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com right now and schedule a call with myself and my team. I'll have a very friendly chat with you and see how we can help you. We've been around the block. We know pretty much how every service more or less works and what offer, sales process, and traffic strategies can help you. And we can also help you with your branding as well, just to really start getting people into your sales process and getting some money rolling in, hopefully getting you to that 10K per month mark as quick as possible. So now let's look at this through my example when I first started out running a funnel service for chiropractors. So we're going to start with the offer, which is the most important, because with an offer, without an offer, you don't have anything, right? You're just getting famous and you're probably not going to get famous. So let's have an offer. Now my offer at the time, I was selling funnels to chiropractors for $300. Okay, offer $300 funnels. Okay, that was my offer. I had an offer, $300, funnels. Now the sales process that I used, what sales process did I use to attract chiropractors and get them to be presented with my offer so they would purchase my offer? Well, I used a funnel that was kind of like this. So this funnel was basically 3 pages, but for this example, let's just say it's 2 pages, okay? And in the first page, I was offering a free case study. I was offering a free case study to chiropractors, telling them, hey, if you're a chiropractor, I can show you how to get 20 to 30 new clients on autopilot in your business without relying on referrals. Like I mentioned in the last video, most chiropractors, most healthcare professionals in general rely heavily on referrals and don't really have a paid way to acquire new clients. Okay, so I said I can get you 20 to 30 new clients every single month with a brand new strategy that doesn't use referrals. And I had a lot of chiropractors opting in for this, and they were my avatar. And when I say opting in, they were getting this case study, but the catch was that I would get their email address in return. So I'm going to draw a little email down there. So they enter their email and I send them this case study showing them how it all works. Then on this next page, this is called the thank you page, where I pretty much say, thank you very much for getting this free case study. You're going to really enjoy it. It's been sent to your inbox. It's going to arrive in your inbox in the next 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes. Until then, why don't you go check out this absolute irresistible offer where I can build you this sales process for an absolute irresistible price. Click this button, and this was a little YouTube video. This was the button. Click this button to go check out my sales page. On my sales page, I presented them with the offer, and quite a few of them purchased. And that was really it. So it was a free case study. This was the sales process. Free case study, thank you page, and then I presented them with the offer if they clicked on that button. Now traffic goes here. Now traffic is free or it is paid, doesn't really matter. The key is having traffic that we're sending into this sales process, and then at the end presenting them with the offer. If the offer is strong and the sales process works well, we should get some sales coming out at the end of it. The last component of a business is branding. Now, branding actually comes here before the traffic. Branding comes here before the traffic, and branding is where we are. This is us. And the whole point of this branding is to build a relationship with this person. So I was putting out content. I was putting out useful content to help these chiropractors, to build a relationship with these chiropractors, to get these chiropractors to a point where they felt like they knew, they know, like, and trust me. So then when they entered my sales process, when I showed them an ad and they entered my sales process and they got presented with the irresistible offer, because they had that relationship with me, I wasn't just making, 1 or 2 sales. I was making quite a lot of sales. Why? Because they had that relationship with me. They trusted me. They knew me. Okay, we had built that relationship. I had provided them with free value, with free content. Okay, and that's really how it works at a high level. We have branding, we're building a relationship with them, we're sending that traffic into our sales process, collecting their email, building our email list, which is extremely important, presenting them with the offer, and hopefully making, quite a healthy amount of sales, quite a healthy amount of profit. Now that's really it for this video, guys. If you like this, if you got some value out of this, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Now, if you need any help at all getting this built for yourself, go to EliRichardsonMentoring.com. Whatever service it is that you've decided that you want to work on building, we can help you with getting that built, getting that sales process built, getting that traffic coming into your sales process, and getting sales and revenue and profit being spit out the other side on autopilot. So if you need help with that, definitely come and schedule a call with me or my team, EliRichardsonMentoring.com. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video, number 5. Really look forward to seeing you in there, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.